Hello viewers, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel for exciting job opportunities. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on fantastic job listings like this one. Now let's get started. Are you ready to embark on our journey into the world of software development? We have a fantastic opportunity for you. The Rental Studio, a peer-to-peer rental platform, is offering a software development internship that you can do right from the comfort of your home. As a software development intern at the Rental Studio, you'll have some exciting responsibilities. Collaborate with the development team to design, develop, and implement software solutions using cutting-edge technologies like React.js, React Native, Express.js, and Node.js. Assist in the development and maintenance of web and mobile applications, ensuring they are high-performing and responsive. Write clean, efficient, and well-documented code following industry best practices and coding standards. Conduct thorough testing of application to identify and fix bugs, performance issues, and security vulnerabilities. Participate in code reviews, providing constructive feedback and suggestions for improvements. Stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in software development and share your knowledge with the team. Assist in troubleshooting and resolving technical issues, working closely with the support to ensure timely resolutions. Now let's talk about what you need to bring to the table. Proficiency in Mean or Mun Stack and React Native. A desire to earn certification in these skills, knowledge of Git and GitHub, availability to work from home for 3 months, and lastly, relevant skills and interests. Remember, you can find the application link and all the details in the description below. Plus, don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested in this internship. Together, let's help each other and find amazing job opportunities. That's all for today on Placements Nepal. Stay tuned for more job listings, career tips, and exciting opportunities. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep chasing your dreams. Goodbye.